Why cardio is honestly crucial for beginners in fitness routines. And probably one of the first things, and this is kind of a duh thing, is the improved fitness aspect of it. A lot of individuals, when they start in the gym, maybe they're a little overweight, maybe they just haven't worked out in a while, and they're feeling kind of run down, they're lacking energy, and they just want to feel better. So improved fitness is a really great reason to do cardio. In turn with this, you'll also kind of have longer endurance. That's kind of something that goes in tandem with it. So you're going to be able to do activities of daily living much longer. Maybe you can go out for a hike with your friends and you're able to do it tremendously longer than normal. You can play with your kids longer than normal. All of these things kind of go back to that improved fitness aspect. You can also recover better. And we're going to use this in the context of a workout, but during your workout, if you have good cardiovascular health, you're actually able to recover quicker in between sets of weights or even just sets of maybe like a sprint, like a running sprint, for example. You're able to recover quicker. You're also able to recover quicker between workouts as well. So if you have a good cardiovascular base, and you finish a workout, for example, and then tomorrow you know you're going to work out again, you're going to recover much quicker compared to somebody who doesn't have that good cardiovascular base. Also, another great reason, of course, since we're improving our fitness and our ability to have improved endurance and stamina, we're going to feel better throughout the day. And this goes back kind of in tandem with those activities of daily living. Another great reason that I love cardio for beginners is that it is incredibly easy to do. If you are a beginner and you're just starting out in the gym, you likely don't have a huge amount of confidence. You likely don't have a huge amount of self-efficacy. And a lot of individuals, when they're first starting out in the gym, are incredibly overwhelmed. I see this weight machine, I see that weight machine. There's all these different things. There's people who look super fit and ultimately are super fit, and you're constantly comparing yourself to those people. Cardio is great because especially on these different machines, like a treadmill, like a bike, like a stair stepper, there's not really much learning curve to it. So you get on the treadmill, you burn some calories, you feel better, you get a nice good sweat on, and over time, this can build a lot of confidence in individuals. If you're just starting out in the gym and all you can do is go on the treadmill because that's the only thing you know how to do, that's great because it's getting you in the door. You can then start learning about other machines in the gym. Maybe you'll make some friends, and it can act as a way to really boost and improve your confidence to hopefully get you to be able to do other activities in the gym. So go ahead and give this video a like if you think that's a good reason to do some cardiovascular exercise. Another great reason all beginners should do cardio exercise is that it offers variety in your workout routine. So I want to pose this question for you. Why do most individuals quit a workout routine or a fitness routine when they first start out? There's a lot of them, but one of the biggest ones is boredom. You hate doing the same thing every single day when you go into the gym. And there's no challenge. You can't constantly progress very well, and it just kind of leaves you in this limbo position of being like, why am I doing this? What's the point of doing this? It's boring. There's no fun. And because of this boredom factor, a lot of individuals can't adhere to a long-term cardiovascular exercise program or a long-term fitness program, I should say, if it's just one exercise. If you go into the gym and you know that the rest of your life, all you're literally going to do is just go on the treadmill, how long are you going to do it? Probably not very long at all. So that's an important thing to make. It offers some good variety that many individuals ultimately need when you are doing a workout routine. I know for myself over the years, I have pivoted workout routines so many times simply because I get bored sometimes. I get bored a lot, actually. And when you kind of go over this notion that, oh, you need to be hardcore and just do the same thing, although there is some validity to that because you do want to stay consistent enough to get results and see results. If it's coming at the expense of you're skipping workouts because you're so bored, throw in some cardio. It offers a little bit of routine, and it's good to switch things up and get better at different aspects of fitness. And of course, what everyone also usually comes to cardio for is some good fat loss. Now, there is one major red flag I do want to act as a distinction here when we're talking about fat loss and cardio. Now, cardio in itself burns calories. And if you burn enough calories from cardio that it puts you in a calorie deficit, you will then in turn lose fat. If you are not in a calorie deficit but you're still doing cardio, you will not lose fat. So cardio in itself does not always mean fat loss, and that's something I really want to drive home with you. So for example, if somebody burns 2,500 calories per day and they are eating about 2,500 calories per day and they want to lose some weight, maybe they'll start implementing 500 calories of cardio per day as a way to get them down to 2,000 calories of energy that will bring them down to 2,000 calories of overall energy that they are technically intaking. So they're burning 500 calories, and because of that they're in a 500 calorie deficit. So over time, guess what, they're going to be able to lose some weight, they're going to be able to lose some fat. Comparatively, if somebody was doing cardio but they need to eat 2,500 calories per day to maintain their weight, and they're eating 3,500 calories, and the cardio that they're doing is only bringing them back down to 3,000 calories, they're eating 500 more calories per day. They're going to gain some weight. And this applies to literally every human being. You can't really defy the laws of physics. This is thermodynamics, so energy in, energy out. Cardio is a great tool to use for fat loss, but it does not always equal fat loss. So those are a few reasons why cardio is crucial for beginners.